What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you all had a great weekend, good afternoon depending on where you're from. But in this video we're back at Lever Finance, or just Lever, used to be REMP, if you all know it from back then, but I think a lot of new people got into Lever Finance too. But we're covering this again, kind of like an update after the launch it was really bullish. Covered it a whole lot when it actually happened, which was I think last week. Or a little bit longer ago, and after that I did an update, but still a lot of people are interested in it, still a lot of people have invested in it and are monitoring the price pretty closely. So I thought it would be valuable to take a look at it. Apart from that, we cannot analyze it on the 4 hour yet, it's just not enough market action. But the 1 hour is possible, I think. Right, so when did it happen? The 16th already, it's almost 10 days ago. Alright, so time flies by. So what you can see is that Lever Finance is actually holding up pretty well. All right. I mean, obviously we had a pretty big drop from that top, but that top was relatively high too. It was at half a cent. From there we did drop down 50%. All right. So maybe it's not holding up very well. But after that 50-cent drop, we did manage to get to 4 cents again, or 0.4 cents again. And after that found some support at this level between 3.2 cents and 0.3 cents, and today we actually broke down below that. All right, so you can see from the EMAs that we were ready for a consolidation up here, but throughout the market we got some bearish breaks, such as Bitcoin breaking through 22,500, Ethereum dropping down from 1,600 again. So we got a little bit of bearish momentum from the market. Obviously in 2 days we'll get a new interest rate decision from the Federal Reserve. That's bearish fundamentals too. So altogether, together with that, Lever Finance used to be pretty hyped up. That's usually what the case is with a bull run. That together made us drop down, I think, and you can clearly see that this was a strong support. All right, even though we tested that support a lot of times, you can see that the bears were just a little bit stronger. So we broke through that 0.31 cents area. So what I expect is going to happen right now is that after we found support here at 0.29 cents, like we're doing right now, I think we're going up to that level again, but only to take a break retest and to start our way down towards 0.27 cents. And then afterwards 0.25 cents, and we talked about this in the Discord sometimes too. If you want to join the Discord and discuss trading and crypto, you can join the link you can join the Discord with the link in the description. But we talked about this too, or at least I did, and I think this 0.25 cents area is pretty strong. So I think we'll actually be able to consolidate on top of that level for a little bit longer. And I think it's this strong, first of all, because it has shown strength, but apart from that 0.25, before this even happened, I said 0.25, that's a strong psychological support level. And what tends to hold in times like these is strong psychological support levels. All right, so I think that's going to hold. There's one exception though. I mean, initially I think this will hold. For example, if the interest rate is perfectly as expected, it might actually hold. But if Bitcoin actually keeps dropping down towards its previous support level at around 19,000. So this is pretty important. If Bitcoin actually keeps dropping down to that level, which is pretty reasonable, right? I mean, that's not out of the picture. Then I think Lever Finance is going to have some real trouble with staying above 0.25 cents. All right, then I think it's more likely that we'll drop down to 0.2 cents within the next weeks. So just be prepared for that. I also want to cover, I mean, there is still a possibility, obviously, for Lever Finance to have some sort of a bull run, and I'm trying to get through this quickly because this video is getting a little bit long. I think it's very unlikely, that's why I don't want to spend that much time on it, but if Lever Finance is actually able to break above 0.33 cents again, then sure, we have the possibility, first of all, to get to 0.4 cents, but also to extend that up to half a cent again. That is possible, that's crypto for you. But the probability of something like this happening at this point in time, I think, is lower than 5%. So to me, it's really not realistic, but I did want to cover it for if we actually break above that level, because first of all, then I was wrong, but at least you know what to do then and what to expect. So yeah, that's basically my update on Lever Finance. If you do have any questions about it, please let me know down in the comments, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye and take care.